the industry is based on building pools, right? That's the only way that service guys exist or chemical manufacturers exist. So the role of the pool builder has always been to start the process, right? Get into a backyard or into a home and express to the new pool owner to be um, why it's so great to have a swimming pool, the wellness factor, the enjoyment factor, the staycation, the keeping the kids home and being the gathering place. But it's also our job to discuss safety. It's our job to explain to this homeowner some of the pitfalls that come with owning a pool as far as safety issues, especially. And as that pertains to Genesis, not only do we learn the proper methods for building swimming pools, for the proper hydraulic calculations, um, we also, throughout the courses of Genesis, you get to learn a lot about design and making it beautiful. A lot of people struggle with their yards, right? They look around and they think, how can I ever fit a pool back here? Um, those Genesis classes on design and even color theory, when you start to understand that somehow that is affected and makes things look sometimes more wide open, or if the area is just so big and you want to try and pare it down, you might outline a pool with a very specific stone that would bring your eyes right back to this one area. So as it affects the industry in general, we're just getting better at providing people with what's going to benefit them, rather than, hey, I want to make some money and just drop a rectangle pool real quick. Uh, and by the way, I'm going to put a 1 horsepower pump and a 30, and it doesn't matter the size of the pool or how much water I need to turn over. We learn through education the proper way to build a pool that is efficient, environmentally conscious. We pay attention to, we learn about fill, right? It's a very big thing in our industry. A lot of people think, oh, it's easy, you just go dig a hole. Well, where does that soil go? You know, in New York, where I'm from, there's all kinds of regulations on soil and testing of soil and where you're allowed to dump it, where you can't dump it. And that's all taught through education. People don't just inherently know that. So over the years, I think as an industry, we've gotten better at not only the construction, but the explanation of what we're doing. And of course, all the stuff people don't see. It's not just a pretty picture. It's all the inner workings of the pool and how that affects the use of the pool for years to come.